fertilizer mane ok ni kare. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nobago romo goganda josalam mar ringo odiechieng' mar iftar e kajot mare maboma ma Nairobi odhiambo manyoro. Ruto noyango ni e bwo dweche 16 kende jo Kenya maromo milion 7 oseyudo kony mar chenro mar Hustler Fund, komedo ni riwo chenro mar omenda no mondo mi odonjre gi mano ma Sheria biro neno ni nitiere kony e riwruok mar omenda e pacho ka. Omenda no gibiro loko lai mar omenda mar sirikal mondo donjre kod chike mar din salam, kaka mano mabiro konye kelo omenda mabup ne dongruok ma pacho ka. Okwayo jodolo ma pacho ka mondo kaw ng'ala manyime e keto thurka e lamo.
And whatever you can do also as diplomats from the Muslim faith, please put your best foot forward so that we can have peace in all these regions and conflict can come to an end and we can live and get our children to school.
For the first time in the last 1.5 years, ndio usalama wa Kenya umedumishwa na njia sawasawa. Hakuna robbery with violence, hakuna burglary, hakuna terrorism. Sasa kila mtu afanya biashara na biashara ziendelee kupanuka kwa sababu ya hali nzuri ya usalama.
Kwa maneno ya ndugu zetu wa Nubi, ni kweli they have not been gazetted as a community in Kenya, lakini at the moment hata wakienda kuchukua ID, they are already identified as a community with the national IDs. But I think it is good to complete that process and gazetted formally. Vile the financial product has been packaged, not many Muslims can participate. It is the first time I am receiving that request, and I want to guarantee that I will process that request. Ili Hustler Fund pia iwe na Sheria compliant component.
Ramogi